Welcome to Wolf Nest, your trusted property management partner in Salt Lake City, Utah. Today, we're exploring how property owners can maximize cash flow through strategic maintenance and smart upgrades, and why these decisions matter more than ever. Maximizing cash flow isn't just about collecting rent on time. It's about making intentional choices that keep properties operating efficiently, reduce surprises, and enhance long-term value. Strategic maintenance and well-planned upgrades are two of the most powerful tools landlords can use to protect profitability while improving the tenant experience. Regular maintenance is not simply routine upkeep, it's a financial safeguard. Preventive care helps avoid expensive emergency repairs, shortens vacancy periods, and builds tenant trust. Addressing small issues early, like routine HVAC servicing or seasonal inspections, can prevent major disruptions later. Over time, consistent maintenance supports stronger net operating income and keeps cash flow steady. Not every upgrade delivers the same return. The most effective improvements are those tenants truly value. Durable flooring, energy-efficient appliances, modern fixtures, and added security features tend to attract quality tenants and justify higher rents. When upgrades align with tenant expectations, they reduce turnover, enhance satisfaction, and strengthen property value. Maintenance and upgrade decisions should always reflect local market conditions. In competitive rental markets like Utah, understanding rent trends and operating costs helps owners prioritize improvements that protect income and keep properties attractive. Market awareness ensures resources are invested where they have the greatest impact. Smart budgeting turns maintenance from a reactive expense into a proactive investment. Planning for routine upkeep, setting aside reserves for unexpected repairs, and phasing upgrades over time allows owners to maintain properties without straining cash flow. Predictable planning supports long-term financial stability. Well-maintained properties encourage tenants to stay longer. When renters feel their home is cared for, they're more likely to renew, reducing turnover costs and income gaps. Strong retention benefits both tenants and owners. A structured approach that blends planning, budgeting, and market insight ensures every repair or improvement protects the property while enhancing value. Strategic maintenance isn't just upkeep, it's a growth strategy. To strengthen your rental portfolio and keep your properties performing at their best, expert guidance makes all the difference. That's where Wolf Nest, Salt Lake City Property Management, is here to help.